So when I was 9 years old, I vividly remember going on to a school trip down to Seaton, and we got dropped off on the A387 and we walked that little narrow coastal path down to the beach itself. Now, I was quite a little unsociable kid, and I probably had my skater jeans on with the huge pockets because I had in it a Sony Ericsson disc Walkman player and one album, and that album was given to me by my sister, and it was the Californication album. Apart from the bass line, there was a high wave of guitar sound coming in over that, and that was John Frusciante. This album and that guitar alone started me on a journey to, one, not only want to play the guitar, but also what I wanted to do in life, and that was design and make guitars. And a bit like me, if you actually saw the price from a dealership that actually had one, if you could find one, you probably had a bit of a gasp moment. So if you do want a 1962 John Frusciante replica Stratocaster but don't have £20,000, then join me in this playlist where we're going to design from scratch and manufacture our own 1962 Strat as if it left the production line, and then we'll go into the detailing and the relicking of what makes it the John Frusciante signature model. This will be a multi-part series. It won't be just one large chunk because I want to make sure it's nice and concise and edited so it's easy to follow. But what I am going to do is give you, the viewer, a good step in the right direction. So if you head over to my website, which is yardguitars.co.uk, you can go down to the footer of the website where it says downloads, click on there, and you will find the neck and the body ready to be downloaded for free. Download those and they are going to be a Fusion 360 native file, so we do have a parametric, i.e. a design history element to these design files, so we can go back and edit if need be. So you will have to download Fusion 360, which is a free CAD software. So if you type in Fusion into Google and look at Autodesk, you'll find the trial there. So in this playlist, I'm going to be aiming the whole process of manufacturing towards my CNC. I understand not everyone's going to have their own CNC, but it is a service that I can offer out if you wanted to go down that route. However, what I will do is give the option to translate those CAD files into being able to make your own template, so you can route it by hand. Or you can just watch and enjoy the process and design along for your future self, if that's what you want. So head over to my website, download the body and the neck Fusion file for free, go over to autodesk.com and download Fusion for free, and then we'll start designing in the next video and working together into a full complete assembly. So if you have any queries about the playlist and what we're going to do, put a comment down below or email me directly, I don't mind, and then join me in, hopefully we're going to make one of these.